Go ahead and turn your neck to the right. Right there. Let's do it to the left. Okay. Great. Look straight. Look all the way down. Got it. Now look all the way up. As far as you can. Good. Stand straight. Try to bend your head this way. Good. And that way now. Got it. And relax. Let's start. Yeah, drop the shoulder down, drop the head. There you go, relax. What do you feel?
Feel better.
Good. Relax. I'm gonna do the lower part of the neck. Let it go. Take a deep breath in. All the way out.
Now that awesome. I was feeling that all day. Oh. Man. Awesome. You see, I can work out too, huh? Yeah.
Deep breath in. And out. Stay down a little bit.
Yeah, you driving home. Man, that's still great.
Feel a difference?
Great difference.
Beautiful.